What's up everybody, this is me Adira Pushpangadra and you're watching The Crazy Image. Today I am going to have a transformation. Yes, I am going to cut my hair and color it because my best friend is getting married and I have to give her a change in my outlook. So I'm going to do that with Harish because we have to travel a lot and I don't want to go there alone. So yeah, I'll see you guys with Harish. So I am with Harish again. So we are going to do the transformation.
Yes, the crazy transformation.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I want to color my complete hair or just few streaks. I don't know, but I'll let you know.
Stay tuned.
Yes. Bye. I am in Ashbush, Kochi, and this is Ashbush.
Hi, I'm Ashush. Okay.
He is a creative hairstylist and a trainer. Now he is doing everything in Kochi, but the main everything is in Bangalore. I've been coming here since when I was in UG and I really love this place. Yay!
Hi,
Ade.
I'm
So
going to make over, okay?
let's see. Yay!
Watch.
Yes. Okay, we are done. So I don't know if you can see it properly, but I have red streaks, kind of a blonde colored in the end of the hairs, and I also have kind of a red shade here. And yeah, it's so smooth. I'll show you guys when I reach home or something. I'll shoot another video to show the hair perfectly, like the color. And yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
It's bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Oh, hey everyone, I just wanted to give quick update about how my hair is now. After my hair coloring, I literally washed it every single day, without shampoo of course. I didn't use any shampoo or conditioner, just applied my serum like every other day. And today like not today, yesterday, I washed it after my hair pack. Like, I forgot to take my oil. I'm just so stupid. And it's been 1 month, clearly 1 month since I have oiled my hair properly. Yeah, but still I used olive oil, coconut oil, complete egg, and I mixed with Zabu's neem hair pack. Then I applied it my hair and I washed it yesterday with my shampoo, which is Sunsilk Smooth and Shiny shampoo. I think it's right. Yeah, the yellow bottle. And I don't think it's a professional shampoo because it's a really normal shampoo, and I've been using that since a very long time. That's why I continued it, because changing your shampoos might cause hair fall, and also don't change your hair oil continuously because it's not good. Yeah, it's not good. Just wanted to update. Okay, so many of you were wondering what all colors I have done. Many DMs I got. Okay, I colored my hair completely, like most of my hair, in chocolate brown color. It's not blonde. In the starting, I think I told you guys it's blonde, but it's not blonde. It's chocolate brown. Then I don't know if you can say it properly. See, yeah, there is a shade of red from this side, and I have come here, yeah, this side. So when you tie your hair, like, yeah, I don't know, that kind of situation rarely happens to me because I don't usually tie my hair, but if I did it, it will be looking nice. Yeah. Other than that, I also colored this crown area in a red shade, which can be only seen in sunlight, but I don't know. I don't think you guys can see it now, but yeah, this is how my hair is now. And I don't think coloring really made my hair frizzy or something. It's as natural as it is. Yeah, and I use a lot of serum, by the way, so my hair is usually like this. And yeah, I look kind of messy and tired because I went out to meet my friend and I came back right now. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I'll post a makeup tutorial, I think next Wednesday. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to comment if you like my new hair. Please let me know if you like this one. And I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.